I'm about to change the battery on a 2017 Toyota Corolla. There's some Toyota, if you disconnect the battery from the vehicle, you could run into driving problem. For this specific car, 2017 Toyota Corolla, I don't know if I'll run into any problem if I disconnect the cable from the battery. So to be on the safe side, I'll be using a memory saver. This is the memory saver. It'll keep power to the car while I change the battery. First, I'm gonna plug this into the OBD2 port, and this light should come on. It's to indicate that there's a connection and it's working. Okay, I plug it in and the light came on. And I'll unplug it. Now before I do this, I make sure everything's turned off. The dome light, the headlight, the key's not in the ignition. Everything's turned off. And then I gonna plug this into this is the portable power source. I'm gonna plug this in. When I plug it in, this light should turn on. Okay, the light came on. And then I'm gonna plug the other end into the OBD2 port. Okay, so now I could replace the battery, and this portable power source will keep power to the car so the car doesn't lose memory. See how that light on the dash is turned on? I'm gonna close the door to turn it off. This is the positive side, the negative. The first thing I'm gonna do is move this bolt and this nut, because I gotta get this bracket out of the way. It's holding down the battery. This is a size 10 wrench. If you don't got a wrench, you could use a socket. It doesn't look like there's anything else holding down the battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the negative cable first, and then I'll remove the positive cable second. I'm still using the size 10 wrench. Next, I'm gonna remove the positive cable. I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver try open this up. The new battery have a handle. The old one doesn't have one. Now when I reconnect the battery cable, I gotta connect the positive first and then the negative last. There's a positive sign there on the battery and a negative sign. I could disconnect the memory saver now. I'm gonna start the car and see how it is. I took the car for a drive and it's driving good, so everything is fine.